Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be doing Unity and let's fix this error. So it says the script don't inherit a native class that can manage your script and can't add a script. So let's click OK, and this caused when you place the script onto a game object and it comes up. So to fix this, we want to open up our script in whatever you're using, and where it says public class, you need to make this the name of your script, which is actually up here, so we can just copy it exactly. So mine's char control, and now it's not in those dashes. Let's save that, go back into Unity, let it do its thing, and now if we try it, it now works. So let's open up and it's there. So now you can do your necessary. Let's add a character controller for mine, ground check, and now you can change all the settings and it should be fine. Thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe.